NES external use in industrial environment. The machine in front of us is in need of repair. The part shown here has come to us for reconditioning, so we'll have to dismantle it from the machine. The bolt is not opening easily due to damage on the external side of the thread. Notice that the thread shoulders are bent and need to be fixed in order for the bolt to open smoothly. This repair could be accomplished by using the NES 1025 combination set. NES 1025 includes 2 external tools and 4 internal tools. The external tools include the NES 1A and NES 2, and the internal tools include the NES 21, 22, 23, and 24. Seeing how the damage is on the external threads of the bolt, the NES 1A would be the most suitable for this repair. Simply place the NES 1A over the thread and tighten the knob to close the blades onto the threads. But be sure the tool isn't tightened excessively. There is no need for calibration or measuring because the blades on the NES 1A have floating blades that automatically adjust to the thread depth and pitch. After NES 1A is tightened on the threads, begin the repair by rotating the tool in the direction that is stated on the side of the tool's body. While rotating, it is returning the threads back to the original shape by reshaping the shoulders of the thread. At the same time, the blades are cutting excess metal parts and cleaning the threads from dust, oil, and other debris. Once the tool reaches the end of the thread, its condition is returned to the original shape. The damaged part is fixed and ready to be reused. Attaching the bolt back onto the machine is now fast and easy. NES 1025 replaces thousands of taps and dies and fits a wide range of internal and external threads. The external diameter range is 5/32 of an inch to 1.5 inches, or 4 millimeters to 38 millimeters, and the internal diameters range is 5/16 of an inch to 1.25 inches, or 8 millimeters to 32 millimeters. The tools will fit coarse, fine, UNC, UNF, UNP, BSW, and BSP threads. Reduce downtime of the production line. Use NES thread repair tools, and your maintenance session will be much shorter.